and cutting this out. So cutting this one out. Now I will use my free hand to it is joining allowance on the shoulder line. You can add it on your fabric, but I tend to forget things at times, so I have to add it back so that I will not run short of it. I will not cut it without adding it, and I will come and start trimming. You have to add it back. The neckline, you have to shape it well. I don't know, but I prefer using my free hand to cut this cuff. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. First of all, you trim the down part. Cut it right. This when you reach the bust point, you stop there. Then you cut out when cutting out the bust dart, you don't cut it here. Don't cut it on the bust line. Cut it on that 2 inches that you went down with, like this. But you not cut through. You will not go through. Very close, but not through. Then you put it on top to close your dart. I've closed my dart. As you are closing the dart, you will notice that one side is the side is not equal, so you have to replace that one back. So I'll cut another extra pieces of paper and place it under. I use my pen and my ruler to align it. And I'll go ahead and cut it out. Let me gum it at the first so it will not fall off. Now we've closed our side dart. Go ahead and cut every other place that needs to be cut out. You trim it off. You cut the neckline. Remember, our neckline is 4.5 inches width, 2 inches depth for the front. The back, let me you have inch allowance to join the shoulder here. Add it back and trim it off. So guys, this is my front, this is the side piece, and this is the back piece. Now I will go ahead and draft. This is the side piece and this is the center piece. I'll go ahead and draft the back. Remember I told us my back is 16. So let me make it 18. I will trim the excesses off as well. Now I'll mark my zip allowance. I want my zip allowance to be 1.5 inches. Connect it together. My shoulder, remember the front, I took 9.5 inches. My shoulder is 17 divided by 2 is 8.5. I added 1 inch allowance. That makes it 9.5. Go down by 1 inch. From down 1 inch, I mark 8 inches for my armhole. Then I'll go back to my shoulder line and then my half length. Then mark my shoulder measurement on this armhole line, which is 9.5. I'll mark it here and connect the points together. Extend my chest line. Now I'll connect this one together as well. Remember the neck width for the front is 4.5, so I'll mark my 4.5. The neck depth for the back will be 1 inch. And I'll go ahead and connect the points together. I'll add my half-inch allowance. I'll add my half-inch allowance here. Sorry, 4.5. I should follow this slanted line. So this is where I'll connect it. This is where I'll connect my 4.5. Then it will be straight on the zip allowance. Go up with half-inch on the shoulder line to join the front and back. Half-inch to join the front and back together. Now my armhole, 8 inches is 4. My bust is 10. Then I'll connect it. This is my back armhole. Now my dart, 4.5. Mark my 4.5 here. So I'll connect it together. On my armhole, I'll come down by 3.5 inches and connect it to my 3 inches. So let me make it 3 inches. Is okay for the back. I will leave it at 2 inches. connect it to my arm sky, to my chest line, like this. Then here on the down part, I'll go in with half inch here, half inch on this side, and connect it to the chest line, like this, using a straight line. Connect the both sides, like this. Then this one, I'm not going to take anything there. I'll just go ahead and use my free hand to shape the dart. I don't want it to be pointed. Just shape it. Use your free hand to shape it very well. It should not be pointed. So now I'll go ahead and extend this one. Even though I do not take anything out of this place, I will still need to extend it so that it will not be short when I cut it out. So go ahead, you can extend it with half inch or 1 inch. Now I'll go ahead and take my normal measurement. My underbust is 8 3/4 plus the 1 inch I took out for the dart. That is 9 3/4. Then I add 2.5 inches allowance. This gives me 12.5. Then on the chest line, my bust is 40. 40 is 10. Then I'll add half inch for the dart. Then I'll add 2.5 inches, which is 13. 13 here. Now I'll go ahead and use the top part of my ruler to connect it. This will shape the under bust on the back side so that you align with the front when you are sewing it. Go ahead and connect it. Then I will draw this one. Let me go with 1 inch. Then get a new armhole. Connect it like so. So this is basically all for the back drafting. I'll go ahead and cut this dart out. Let me cut it out. So remember, you don't take armhole dart or bust dart on the back pattern. The reason why we took it in front is so that the front will align with the back. And this is our back piece. I'll go ahead and cut it on my fabric. I'll cut 2 of these, same thing with the front.